Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, AI Cars Update. I'm thrilled to have you here. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to stay updated on my latest topics. Your support means a lot to me. Now we start the video without any delay. We will be investigating the all-new 2024 Toyota CHR. This is a significant upgrade for the CHR, and it brings a great deal of new elements and upgrades. In this video, we'll cover all that you really want to know about the 2024 CHR, including its outside plan, inside execution, efficiency, and innovation. We'll likewise be giving our general considerations on the vehicle's outside plan. The 2024 CHR has a strong and smart new look. It's more extended, more extensive, and lower than the past age, and it has a more forceful position. The front tent is overwhelmed by a huge hexagonal barbecue, and the headlights are currently LED. The backside is likewise more rakish with a new taillight plan. By and large, the 2024 CHR is a considerably more alluring vehicle than the past age. It's as yet upscale and eye-getting, but at the same time, it's more refined. The inside of the 2024 CHR is additionally totally updated. It's more open and agreeable than previously, and it has a more excellent feel. The dashboard is currently more driver-centered with a huge touchscreen infotainment framework in the middle. The seats are more strong and agreeable. The 2024 CHR comes standard with the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment framework, however, a 10.3-inch touchscreen is accessible as in choice. The infotainment framework is simple to utilize and has different highlights, counting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The CHR additionally comes standard with the 7-speaker sound framework, yet a 10-speaker JBL sound framework is accessible as a choice. Presentation-wise, the 2024 CHR is just accessible with a half-breed powertrain. The mixture powertrain comprises a 2.0 L4-chamber motor and an electric engine, which produce a joint result of 197 strength. The half-and-half powertrain is smooth and proficient. It gets an EPA-assessed 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the interstate. Regarding fuel economy, the 2024 CHR gets an EPA-assessed 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the interstate. This is a critical improvement over the past age, which got an EPA-assessed 32 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the thruway. Technology-wise, the 2024 CHR comes standard with an assortment of cutting-edge security highlights, including programmed crisis slowing down, path takeoff cautioning, and versatile voyage control. A 360-degree camera is additionally accessible as in choice. The CHR additionally comes standard with an assortment of comfort highlights, counting a power movable driver's seat, a sunroof, and a warm directing wheel. The 2024 Toyota CHR is a significant improvement over the past age. It's more slick, more open, more productive, and the half-and-half powertrain is smooth and proficient. The inside is more agreeable and rich. The CHR is an extraordinary decision for anybody searching for an upscale, eco-friendly, and well-prepared hybrid. Much obliged for observing. Assuming you have any inquiries regarding the 2024 Toyota CHR, if it's not too much trouble, leave them in the remarks beneath.